Brace yourselves, people. It's getting close to one of Android's most exciting developer launches this year, Jetpack Compose. I'm Kari Byron, your host of The Android Show. And next week, we'll be giving you a behind-the-scenes update on Android's new UI toolkit, Jetpack Compose. We've got some awesome stuff planned. Demos, live Q&A with the team of mad scientists who built it, maybe a surprise or two. Yeah! No? Oh! Demo, not demolition. Okay, so start tweeting us your burning questions on Jetpack Compose, Android's modern UI toolkit. Maybe where I can get a pneumatic grappling hook on the cheap? Use #TheAndroidShow. Then, tune in live for The Android Show February 24th, 9 a.m. Pacific on YouTube. Trust me, you will not want to miss it.